Is this the best keyboard for under $50? This is Royal KLUDGE's RK61 60% mechanical keyboard. It has wired, Bluetooth, and wireless connection, blue LED lighting with many different modes, and it's also fully hot swappable as well, and I personally got it with their red switches, and here's a little sound test. Then also, since it is a 60% keyboard, it gives you way more space on your desk when you're using your mouse. And lastly, it honestly looks amazing in my setup, and if you want to pick one up for yourself, the link to it will be in my bar.